Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to batch process multiple photos in Remini for efficient editing. Alright, so to do that, open your Remini application like this. Alright, so as you can see, my Remini application was already in operation, but when you open your Remini application, it will look like this at the home page. So when you want to edit many photos, basically come to photos over here. So I'll select multiple photos. I'll select this one here. Then I also select this one. Alright, so when I'm done, I've selected two photos. That's the same as batch photos. Alright, so I'm basically going to enhance a batch of photos, and there are two photos as you can see. This one and this one over there. Right, so when you're done, you basically tap on select over here. Alright, so when you're done selecting, you tap on enhance over there. So basically it's the same procedure. It will finish loading here, then your photos will be enhanced and you can save them to your gallery. So thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video guys.